Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Match.com app not working in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First, make sure your internet is working properly. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. A weak connection can stop Match from loading. Step 2. Force close the app. Now swipe up from the bottom of your screen and pause to open the app switcher. Then find Match.com, then swipe it up to close it completely. Then reopen the app and check if it works. Step 3. Restart your iPhone. If the app still isn't working, restart your phone. This clears temporary system glitches that can affect app performance. Step 4. Update the Match app. First open the App Store, then search for Match.com app. If Match has an update, install it. And outdated apps often crash or fail to load. Step 5. Check for iOS updates. Now go to the settings, then general, then software update. If an update is available, install it. Some apps won't work properly on older iOS version. Step 6. Delete and reinstall the app. If nothing works, delete Match from your phone, restart your phone, then reinstall the app from the App Store and log back in. And that's how you can fix if Match.com app not working. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.